Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to show you the sound difference between stock manifolds, which are open headers with bullet style mufflers, and then open headers with a like a Dynamax straight through regular size muffler. Let's get going with it. This is a 6-liter aluminum L76. It's got a Summit 8707, I believe. I'll put it in the description, Cam. Other than that, it's pretty much stock, but this is basically a 6-liter LS3. So let's get to it, guys. And that's the stock manifolds open. Alright guys, I got the long tube headers on now. Let's see what they sound like. And here's the final setup, guys. Cut off the Dynamax bullets and put on these cheap eBay. They're straight through design. Well, you can't see it with it hooked up, but they're straight through center core. And let's see what these sound like. guys, here are the two mufflers that we tested today, and of course no mufflers. But this is the one off eBay. I believe is about 40 bucks a piece, $38, something like that. It's measuring about 13 to 14 inches long. Just call it 14, and around 9.5 inches wide. It is 4 inches thick, I guess you'd say, with 3-inch inlet and outlet. The little Bullet muffler is about 8 inches, 8.5. The core is, and of course it's around 4 inches in diameter also. And as you can see, guys, that is straight through muffler. It's basically a copy of a Dynamax. It's except like half the price or less. And of course, that one's also straight through. That's it for this test, guys.